What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to trade options on Robinhood. The first step is to meet the option trading requirements. So Robinhood requires a minimum account balance and trading experience. You're also going to need to complete the option trading application, where you're going to answer questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Now the second step is to understand option trading basics. So you need to familiarize yourself with option terminologies. So you learn about calls, puts, strikes, and expiration. And then you need to learn about buying calls, buying puts, selling calls, and selling puts. So just to make sure you understand the terminology so you don't get confused. Now the third step is to access the option trading feature, and how you want to do that is by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap trade in the bottom navigation bar, and then select options from the trade menu. Now the fourth step is to choose your option contract. Now you can select the underlying stock. Just choose the stock that you want to trade options on, and then select the expiration date, strike price, and contract type. That could be a call or put. Now the fifth step is to set your order. So just select from market order, limit order, or stop limit order, and then enter the price that you want to pay for the option contract. And now you just got to enter the number of contracts that you want to buy or sell, and then just ensure the underlying stock, option contracts, order type, price, and quantity are all correct. And then you want to tap confirm to place your order. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to trade options on Robinhood. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.